Gonna take you upstairs and show you what noises Tyler makes while he's playing Xbox. What's all this shouting?
I'm the sexiest boy in town. What?
You're the sexiest boy in town?
Yeah.
How does that make you the sexiest boy in town?
Yes, I am.